guys, you guys are back with Birma Madhu, and to those who are new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a Diwali look in collaboration with Maybelline. So they sent me out some products to create a look for you guys, and I hope you guys are going to be enjoying this tutorial. So to start off, I already have my eyebrows done, and next I'll be going in with the foundation shade. So the foundation that I have for today is the Fit Me in Matte and Pearlescent in shade 330. Okay, so I just put the product onto this one, and then I start applying. So that's what I do first. I also like to go over my eyelids just to have like a base going on. So now that I'm done blending my face, I'm gonna go down to my neck just to make sure that my face matches my neck. So now that I'm done my foundation base, I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'll be using the Age Rewind concealer in shade Golden. So it's like a beautiful color. So what I like to do to apply this is actually put dots. That looks funny. I feel like a turtle or something. Got a pattern going on. So now I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and blend it out. So what I like to do is press upwards. So I like going in a motion like this. Honestly obsessed. Really obsessed. Really got my dark circles covered. So next I'm going to be using Maybelline's Master Contour Face Contouring Kit. So it has 3 shades. There's a bronzer, there's a blush, and there's like a highlighter. So I'm going to be using this shade to contour. So I'm going to be going in an upward motion to apply the product. That applied really well, guys. Pretty impressed by this. What I also like to do is go around my face like this, just to slim down my face a bit, and also at the top of my forehead. And also for my nose, what I like to do is I like using like a flat brush. It's just simply applied like that, just to make your nose look more slimmer, because you want to have a snatched nose. And voila, just contouring does this big difference. I really love it. I'm like loving this contour palette. I'm also going to be applying some blush. Such a beautiful color. So next I'm actually going to be going in with the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade 20. So the way that I like to apply the loose finishing powder is actually taking a fluffy brush, just dabbing it through. Tap the excessive because I don't like to bake fully. So I just like go at the like edge of my nose from the contour part, and I just press the product into my skin. And then I actually brush it off immediately. I don't wait. I just like setting it and then brushing it. And you have to be really gentle with it, or else it's gonna actually take off your makeup too. I also like to apply some of the finishing powder on my forehead and my chin. And also to define my contour, I like applying it at the bottom so it defines it. And to finish off the base, I'm going to be using the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and I'm obsessed with this shade. It's in shade 100. Like, oh my god, it's beautiful. Just dab some, tap the excessive, and then you work it. Ooh, this makes me so happy to see me blending people like that. Like, look at that, matte to glowy. So let me just apply some on my nose bridge, just to have a snatched nose going on. So next, let's move on with the eyeshadow. So for today's look, I'm going to be using 2 palettes. So these are the colors in Soda Pop, and these are the colors for Lemonade Craze. So to start off, I'm going to be using a transition shade from the palette Lemonade Craze, and this shade here. So it's a nice neutral brownie color. I just like to swipe in the crease, more like setting your eye with an eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be going into the Soda Pop eyeshadow palette to get this color, which is bronzy. So I'm just going to apply that at the edges just to like darken the edge of the eye. So, oh my god, pigmented. Guys, oh my god. Whoa, the pigment's real. you sweep inward just to have a blend going. Next, I'm gonna go back into the Lemon and Craze palette to get this pinky shade. I'm gonna apply it more to the center-ish part of the eye. So just having a bit of pink going on there. Next, I'm gonna go in back to the Lemon and Craze palette and get this shade, which is a corally gold color. So I'm just gonna apply that on the lid. Oh my god, pigmentation though. And to finish off the eyeshadow look, I'm gonna go back in with my metallic highlighter. So what I like to do is I apply it at the bottom and at the top. So like making it look like it's going under my eyes, so like you see. And apply it to my brow bone just to have a highlight look going on. So for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go with this shade, and I just like to apply it at the bottom against my lash line, just a bit. So next for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the Master Precise All Day, and it's in shade Black, which is a typical signature liner for a Diwali look. So what I like to do is start from the inner corner of my eyes. Ooh, so precise and thin. And I like to drag it along my lash line. So after I'm done the top line, what I like to do is see where the brow tail ends, and I like to make a wing facing at that angle. So since my brow tail is there, what I'm gonna do is a line facing the brow tail like that. And then you just connect and then you fill it in. So now that I'm done my liners, I'm just gonna go to the inner corner to extend the liner. Go outward like that, and then bring it inward like that. So it's just to have like a sharp eye look. So now that I'm done my eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in shade Black. So I just like to apply it on the waterline. Ooh, so pigmented and creamy. Wow, one swipe. And just to complete the eye look, I'm gonna be using this mascara in Falsies. So I apply it to my top lashes. I always look up when I apply it just so that I don't get any mascara on the eyeshadow. So I just applied my lashes, and now we're at the final stage of this look. I have here two Superstay matte inks in shade 20 and 5. So this is 20 and then that's 5. So what I'm gonna be doing is an ombre lip look. So to start off, I'm gonna start with shade 5. So now that we're done with outlining the lip, I'm gonna go in with shade 20 to fill it in. So there we have it. This is my ombre lip, and now I'm gonna put my accessories just to complete this look. So guys, this is the completed look for the Diwali look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know down below in the comments if you guys will be creating this look. Also, do give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to not miss out on any other videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So bye guys, I'll see you guys next time.